Over here on the Classroom tab, you'll be provided with some insight into the various Google Classrooms within the domain. There are also some ways you can quickly search and filter here on the Classroom side as well too. So lots of options this way, anything from course name to section to owner email. On the filter side of things, it's going to be a little bit more limited here. There'll just be one filter of status, but this is where you can also look for a classroom type called orphan classrooms. Now, we don't have any directly here in this test environment, but orphan classrooms would be classrooms where the actual owner's email account no longer exists. So the account that created that classroom initially is no longer within the Google domain here. It's been deleted at some point, but that classroom still exists out there. So you can use this to go ahead and locate those orphan classrooms, and then there's some actions we can take on classrooms there directly through the platform. So if you want to go ahead and click into one of the classrooms here, I'm going to go ahead and use this geometry classroom as an example here. We can see some high-level details here. So the classroom details, this is the same information there that you saw within the table itself. You will notice here that there is a action button, so you can go through and bulk remove students or remove individual students out of a classroom if necessary there. And there's some search capabilities as well too. You can search by the users within a classroom, and you can quickly go ahead and filter by the various roles that are within the classroom as well too. In the top right hand corner there is going to be an actions button, and this is going to allow you to take some additional actions on a classroom. The first one being here is going to be transfer ownership. This allows you to go ahead and transfer the ownership from the owner of that classroom over to a co-teacher. So whoever is you're transferring ownership over to does need to be a co-teacher there. If we come over to the add participants, this allows you to add a co-teacher or a student to a classroom. You can also then remove a co-teacher or a student from a classroom. You can also archive or outright delete a classroom as well too.